Imagine a world where Linux is no longer intimidating to beginners, where navigating a complex desktop feels as seamless as using a smartphone, and where the freedom to customize meets the ease of use. In this world, two distros stand out as the best options for those looking to take the leap into the world of Linux: Zorin OS and Elementary OS. Both of these distros boast a user-friendly interface and a plethora of features that cater to beginners, but they differ in their approach to achieving this goal. Zorin OS, for instance, offers a unique blend of a Windows-like interface and a custom kernel that provides optimal performance, making it an attractive option for those who are already familiar with Windows. On the other hand, Elementary OS prides itself on its sleek and modern design, offering a truly unique user experience that's reminiscent of macOS. Both distros are free to download and use, but if you're looking to unlock more features and support, Zorin OS offers a paid version, Zorin OS Pro, which starts at $29.99 for a one-year subscription, while Elementary OS has a paid version called Elementary OS Pro, which offers additional features and support for $49 per year. Despite their differences, both distros share a common goal of making Linux accessible to everyone, and with their respective strengths and weaknesses, they cater to different needs and preferences.